On earlier,
the last occasion, Your Lordship has directed CDPO to appear in the court, Your Lordship says here. That issue 4.9 has been considered by Your Lordship, and 4.9 has been declared ultra virus, Your Lordship. The candidatureship of respondent, private respondent number 8 was rejected on the ground that her Gotani was there. So application of clause 4.9 was there, Lordship. 2011 guidelines. Insofar as recruitment
as a date of advertisement, the clause date of advertisement.
Clause 4.9 was not there when the advertisement was made.
2011 guidelines was there, Lordship.
2011 guidelines, I see that 4.9 was substituted effective from 10th of June 2013.
No, Your Lordship.
Prior of that, the clause 4.9 was loaded.
Yes, Lordship. 4.9 is there.
4.9 is there. What was the change? Whether it was earlier in the same form or
In the 2011 guideline,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the 2011 guideline, is there any prohibition? Candidature sister-in-law is already in service. In that event, candidature is not entitled to claim.
That is there in 4.9, Your Lordship. But
Correct, sir. That is 2011.
yes, Lordship. 2011 guidelines. 2011 guidelines.
Read the relevant 4.9 of 2009 guidelines.
उसमें वो जो कुछ और भी चीजें ऐड किया गया होगा.
2011 guideline.
And this 4.9 is relating to what?
4.9 is relating to
Disqualification.
Yes.
Sister-in-law is
but it says this has been substituted.
no, we are not concerned with that tuition. As on the 10th thing, the date on advertisement, this 4.9 was existing.
Yes, May 2013.
So,
May.
2013.
Yes.
A date 4.9 was existing.
4.9, some changes, it shows some changes made in 4.9.
Changes cannot be applicable to an existing advertisement. No, why you want to go by changes? Don't go by changes. Because as on 30th May 2013, what was existing that is required to be applied?
That's what I'm asking. What was existing on that? 30th May.
Was there any disqualification for a sister employment?
The book shows some changes have been made in 4.9. Whether that
2006, Your Lordship.
yes,
The original guidelines was issued in 2006. Then another guidelines was there in 2010.
10th of June 2013.
10th of?
June.
Then you unamended, ask them 4.19, where is that?
Where is that 4.9 unamended?
Sir, before 10/6/2013, what was the clause existing? Because on 10/6/2013 you have that is required to be applied. Yes, who is official appearing?
Since the CDPO, Lordship, this fact be clarified from the department.
No, again you want to adjourn. What is this? What is the purpose of summoning the officer?
Fact, Lordship, insofar as procedure is concerned, Your Lordship, she is very equipped with that procedure. Your
This is
Lordship.
procedure only.
No, Your Lordship.
Now, where is the 4.9 prior to 30th May 2013?
That requires to be verified from the department, Your Lordship.
What is this, sir? What type of assistance is being given here?
In Lecture 8 of the Read Petition Law, in this Lecture 8 below, the then provision and the amended both have been written. Page 29 of the Read Petition Law. Page 29 of this.
Initially, under 4.9,
It says wife, daughter-in-law, sister, Sir,
May I give you the,
Yeah. As long as it's not challenged by him. He's not.
it was only clarified.
this is the original, Your Lordship, 4.9.
Now originally who has selected?
Initially, Your Lordship,
Who has
replied,
been selected?
private respondent number 8.
What is her name?
My lord, only selected the present appellant, my lord.
Huh?
Present appellant, my lord,
Was originally appointed.
earlier appointed,
Thereafter they noticed that her sister-in-law is employed.
Lord, the read petitioner sister-in-law, my lord, was employed.
Petitioner Shakila Khano.
Shakila Khatun.
Better have you challenged this 4.9?
Lord, the then existing rule, my lord, the relation.
Correct. On page 29, on the left-hand column, there is a sister-in-law is included. Have you challenged this?
Sister-in-law, that the word is Gotni is mentioned. Gotni means the wife of the brother of the husband, my lord.
Wife of the brother,
No, here what is that?
wife of the brother,
Wife of the?
brother,
Huh,
Bhaujai.
correct.
And another sister.
According to me? Another?
Another sister-in-law is sister of the husband. But
No, sister of the husband can't be sister-in-law, no. Sister-in-law is brother's wife.
brother's wife. But
In the present, this petitioner's
Lord,
sister-in-law is who?
brother's wife.
Correct. His brother wife is engaged as an employee.
word is Gotni mentioned. Gotni means the wife of the brother of the husband, my lord. Gotni means wife of brother of the husband, my lord.
Brother of the husband. Then that what is
No, means sister-in-law. Correct.
But
So said term has been
wife of the brother of the husband. If there are two brothers, wife, two brothers.
No, Shakila Khatun, sister, brother's wife, the sister-in-law.
Husband's brother's wife is
Now, 4.2 is relating to which? Does this discriminate?
yes.
You, sister-in-law means sister-in-law. Then you can't identify, you can't interpret the sister-in-law is in this fashion.
What is the word Bhaujai? What is the meaning?
Bhaujai?
Brother's wife. Husband.
Then the petitioner fulfills this clause.
If I
state issue has federal law a single judgment which is in Annexure 9 lord to the writ petition lord, in which lord he find the Gotni lord.
Just point out this one to opponent, counsel, that respondent's case is not covered under this.
Who is for appellant?
Yes,
Yeah,
may I submit one thing?
No,
Yes,
first you,
Just a minute. Unamended 4.9, it does not talk about Gotni.
Yes, Your Lordship, absolutely.
So if any disqualification has been attached to a person whose Gotni was working, she will not be covered under rule 4.9.
In accordance with the rule, regulation 11, Your Lordship.
Guidelines.
What is,
Guideline 11, Your Lordship. May I submit one that will suffice all the matters here? May I submit?
I'm not able to understand Gotni, this,
I'm something, I'm trying to,
convince my brother.
what happened in this case, Your Lordship, that when advertisement was made, in accordance with the regulation 11, in regulation 11, there was two parts. One, qualification, another is disqualification. qualification was that she must pass matriculation examination. And other point is a disqualification. In 4.7 it has been said that the candidate should be Bahu of the village. Bahu means she will be the she will be a married person whose in-laws family is at the village, your lordship. 4.7 says, your lordship. In that, in 4. In accordance with the regulation 11, it has been said that Gotni was not mentioned, your lordship. Thereafter, on 10/6/13, before this election, in 13 the regulation was amended, your lordship, in which in bottom it has been mentioned that उपरोक्त संशोधन नए तत्काल प्रभाव से लागू होंगे. That's why it has been interpreted that the brother of the husband, the brother of the the wife of the brother of the petitioner, your lordship, was in service. That's why she is wife.
Wife of the brother of the husband. Not the brother.
The husband of the Sakila Khatun, the brother of the husband of the Sakila Khatun, the wife of the brother of the husband of the Sakila Khatun was primary teacher, panchayat teacher also. That's why that was her selection was disqualified also. Thereafter she filed an application, and the application was sent before the district program officer. District program officer called for a report from the CDPO, lordship. CDPO says that while she was working as Sahika, she has taken matriculation certificate without taking permission, without taking examination. That's why her qualification was bad. The order is here, lordship. So it can be, she cannot be appointed, lordship. The district program officer rejected the candidature of the respondent number 8 on both grounds, on the ground of the qualification and as well as on ground of the disqualification. Then she filed an application before the learned DM.
Qualification means she has no matriculation.
Matriculation certificate was not valid, your lordship, because she has taken from the UP and she was residing at Bihar, and she has not taken a leave for appearing in the examination as well for enhancing of the.
It's a different aspect.
That has been.
One point is there, lordship.
May I
The advertisement was.
Powers and functions in the CDPO in this. Who is appointing authority to this post?
CDPO, lordship.
CDPO.
I may permitted to submit, your lordship.
No, we will direct the CDPO, open an inquiry,
Obliged.
and furnish report, let both be heard.
Yes, lordship. Yes, lordship. But before that, your lordship may allow me that advertisement was published on 38th May 2013. Prior to that, incorporation of 4.9, your lordship.
4.9 he is not.
They mean that 12.
No, that will be taken care by the CDPO.
Obliged.
Furnish
Obliged.
report.
Obliged, lordship.
And the certificate of the read person is for them law.
Let them
For
look.
the government servant, not for the worker, your lordship. It is not.
There is a dispute relating to eligibility and qualification among the appellant and contesting respondent, namely Bigani Kumari and Shakila Khatun, pursuant to the advertisement issued on 30th May
2013.
2013. Therefore, respective parties are hereby directed to furnish their claim by means of a detailed representation before the CDPO. On receipt of representations by the CDPO, CDPO is hereby directed to fix a date and time of a hearing in order to provide oral hearing the respective parties. So the respective parties are also permitted to rely on relevant guideline / regulation in support of their claim. Thereafter, CDPO is hereby directed to compare the merits and demerits of the respective parties in the light of relevant regulation which is existing on the date of advertisement be taken note of and prepare a report. So, copy of the report shall be furnished to the respective parties and thereafter the same be made available to this court on the next date of hearing. List this matter after 8 weeks.
All right. All right.
Personal appearance of the CDPO stands dispensed until further order.
All right.